Yo.
Hi guys, I'm John. So today I'm gonna teach you how to strip a wire. So first, you need combination pliers and side cutting, and of course a wire. So first, you should grasp tightly the combination combination pliers tightly, and put and make sure that the side cutting pliers will stick on in the combination pliers. So we're gonna cut it. So you guys see this. Make sure that you will just gently hold the wire so that the inside of the wire would be cut, just the cover. So this is how do it. Done. Finish.